Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is the day that we take things to the next level. Pun intended, because we're talking about levels today. And on a side note, I thought about calling this video Taking Things to the Next Plumb, but that didn't really sound as good. So here we go. This is my absolute favorite level. This is the Stabila, however you want to say it, Tech 48. This is a 4-foot level. And what makes this level special right here is the fact that it has this electronic device in it that's calibrated to tell you where dead level is in any degree that you want, which is an absolute game changer. Now, I know this sounds like a commercial, but this is not sponsored by Stabila in any way, shape, or form. They don't even know I'm making this video. This is just how excited I get about tools. Crazy, I know. So here's a setup with this. I'll show you the features that I use. I keep it pretty simple. So you got your on button right there that turns on the display. Then you have your light button that illuminates the display. It's a very good illumination. You can see it in bright light and especially in dark areas. And you know, any environment, it's really going to display and show you clearly what's going on. And then speaking of environments, it also has this little speaker icon. If I push that button, you'll hear audio indication of how far away I am from 0.0 level. So as it gets closer and further away from level, you'll hear it, you know, change pitches and, you know, try to tell you by those pitches where level is, which comes in handy, especially if you're in those loud environments. So 0.00 is going to sound like this. So there's 0.00, clear indication that you're on dead level. So that is a feature that I kind of play around with. I don't really need that. It's not too loud where we're working, but it is fun to like dial it in and hear like a confirmation like you're dead on right there. So that's one of the main features we use is this display right here. Now, one of the coolest things about this, especially as a trim guy, is you're going to be able to dial this in as far as degrees. So say you want to check the rake angle of stairs, you could set this on top of a bigger level and it's going to tell you exactly what pitch those stairs are ascending at. So that is really convenient when it comes to stair work, and also for laying out geometric accent walls or just any trim in general, you're going to be able to dial this in. So for example, if I try to get this dialed in to 45 degrees, I can just move it up until it's dead on 45. It's going to be kind of hard to do it free-handed like this because there's so much room for error in my arm moving around. But yeah, 45, you know, you just hold it right there and you can take your pencil and mark down, and you know that is dead on 45. This thing is absolutely calibrated. We've checked it and we've done many installs with it, especially those geometric walls, and it just makes our job 10 times easier. This thing's powered by 2 AA batteries, which is awesome because I have so much stuff to charge these days. It's nice to just unscrew this little flathead right here, pop those 2 AA's out, pop some new ones in, and keep moving. But the crazy part about this, I've had this for 6 months and I have not had to change the batteries yet. That's pretty crazy. So 2 AA's have lasted me 6 months. That's wild. So Stabila, whatever you want to say, like I said, they're kind of the Cadillac of levels. And I was like, you know what? This thing right here has been a dream to work with. So why don't we invest in a whole arsenal of these things? So that's exactly what we did. So inside of this box right here, we have our complete set of Stabila levels. This is an exciting moment. Ah. Nice. We got our 78-inch complete. Not just complete, but complete. I mean, that's how I feel right now. I'm excited. Check it out. Oh, it does have the case. I was wondering about that. Whoa, this is an awesome case. This has like a little pouch for every level. So I have, what does it have in here? I don't even remember. All right, so we've got a 78-inch level. That's the biggest one. Then it goes 48, 32, 24, 16. So I already have a 48, obviously, the Tech 48 that I just explained to you guys. But buying them in a bundle like this, I was actually able to save a little bit more. And these aren't cheap. This whole set was $600. So, and I bought this off Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check this out. But if I bought like a 78 by itself, a 32 by itself, it kind of was just weird the way they add them up. So I was like, I'll just get this set, and it doesn't hurt to have an extra 48-inch level laying around. So this pouch actually looks really awesome to be able to carry every single level just slung over your shoulder like this. That is convenient. Everything's in here, everything we'll ever need. So one trip to the truck, we've got everything. We'll open this up, see what's in this first pouch. And these pouches are actually pretty big. This is probably big enough to throw my Tech 48 level in there. This is our 48. So this is our standard 48. All these are standard. These are just typical levels. No electronic components to them. But since that's our 48, let me check something real quick. Because if they'll both fit in there, that means I could carry both these 48s. Oh, look at that. It does fit. So I don't need this little pouch anymore, this little case. So I'll probably just use that as a shotgun sling or something. But check that out. Both the 48s fit in there, and it's not even like a tight squeeze or anything like that. There's plenty of room. So they probably made it like that where you can fit a couple of the same sizes in there. So we'll go ahead and stack these up as I open these. So this has that plastic wrap on it. I'll tear all that off later. So we've got our two 48s, and over here we've got, this is our 24. So I'll stack these up in order. Let's see what else we got. Over here we've got our 32-inch. We got our little guy right here. This is our little torpedo. That's awesome. That's definitely going to go in the tool belt probably, because that's like a really slim design. Just slide it into a pocket. Check for level and plumb. Oh, it's magnetic too. It just grabbed my machine. That is awesome. I did not know that. And then we have, where's that pouch? Yep. Then we have our 16 right here. We'll just set that right there. This is awesome. And then we have our zipper here, and this holds our 78. And there is tons of room to throw some more levels in there if need be. So we'll go ahead and set that one down. And that, my friends, is how you take things to the next level. This is a big moment for us. Now, this isn't the first time I've had these sizes of levels, but it's the first time I've had these quality of these sizes of levels. And I've had Empire levels, all that stuff in the past, and they're fine. You know, I'm not gonna say they're not gonna tell you what true level and plumb is, but the problem with me is I really abuse those levels, and I use a lot of them for like concrete and fencing, and I just kind of, you know, abused them. So these are going to be strictly my precision carpentry levels. These are going to stay in this case right here, and they're going to be used for what we do, trim carpentry, and they should last a lifetime. And I really like this set that I chose. There's different sets that you can choose, but I like these because they have that handle through every level, and you know, multiple handles on the larger levels, and they have these cushioned edges. You can replace those too if they wear out. So yeah, these technically, honestly, should last a lifetime. Stabila says they will. They're built very high quality in Germany, and they're the best level you can buy. So I finally took the plunge. You know, it was a very expensive purchase, but I've never regretted spending money on quality tools. Like, I can't think of one tool where I kind of had to buy once, cry once situation where I was like, I really shouldn't have done that, like not once. So I'm kind of assuming this is going to be the same way. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this moment with you. And again, if you want to check out this level set, there's a link down below. You can get this same set on Amazon. It is about 600 bucks, I think. So like I said, big investment, but you know, that's what we do. We're carpenters. It's our profession. It's like a lawyer going to school and investing in that, or a doctor investing in medical equipment or surgical equipment. It's literally the same thing, except, you know, we don't make as much as them, but our equipment doesn't cost as much as theirs either. So I guess you know, you can look at it multiple different ways. But anyways, that's enough for me for this video. Let me know what you guys think of this new level set, and we'll see you on the